I made a mistake, guys. I made a mistake. Uh, this is day 12 of training my voice for clarity, for diction, and for diaphragmatic breathing. Since now my voice has become a little bit better. I believe I have stamina in my voice. I have some kind of clarity, and yes. So now we'll start with exercise. Sit or stand with relaxed shoulders. Place your one hand on your chest and the other on your abdomen. Inhale through your nose for 4 seconds. Then expand your chest relatively high. Exhale slowly through your mouth for 6 to 8 seconds. Repeat for 8 to 10 breaths. It's making me sleepy. No, it's okay. Now from 3 to 6 minutes, as you can see, I have got a little bit of my voice has become a little bit of it has a little bit of bass. It has become deeper, uh, like maybe because it has expanded my diaphragm, which is giving me enough space to air to pass through it, and the vocal shape better here. Yeah. Now 3 to 6 minutes. Exhale steady. Inhale deeply. Exhale slowly. 6. It sounds for 15 to 20 seconds. Okay. Oh my god. This is going to make me trippy. feeling trippy. Only because of the inhalation. It does something with the mind and does wonders for your mind. नहीं महाराज, आपकी गलत विडंबना है। आपकी विडंबना बिल्कुल ही गलत है। मैं आपको बता रहा हूँ। Feel vibrations around your lips. That will human form. Sorry. Sorry. Chest resonance from 9 to 12 minutes. Chest resonance. Say these words slowly, sustaining each word for about 5 seconds. V Az Z Repeat. Uh, Good morning. Today I speak with confidence and clarity and calm. Good morning. Today I speak with confidence, clarity, and calm. Good morning. Today I feel confident. Good morning. Today I feel confidence, clarity, and calm. Good morning. Today I feel confidence, clarity, and calm. Articulation and projection. Repeat each tongue twister slowly, then a little faster while keeping your speech clear. Red leather, yellow leather, 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 red leather, yellow leather. Unique New York, unique New York, unique New York. Black, big black bugs bleed black, big black bugs bleed blue black blood. Big black bugs bleed blue black bugs blood. Big black bugs bleed blue black 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 blood. Finish by reading a paragraph from a book or for 2 minutes speak. Now repeat each tongue twister slowly, then a little faster while keeping your speech clear. Now I'll go a little faster. Red leather, yellow leather, red leather, yellow leather, red leather, yellow leather, red leather, yellow leather. Unique New York. Big black bugs bleed blue black blood. Speak slightly slower than normal. Pause to breathe. Use your diaphragm. Keep your jaw and throat relaxed. Now speak slightly. Repeat each tongue twister slowly, then a little faster while keeping your speech clear. Red leather, yellow leather. It is done. Speak slightly slow. Big. Fine. Finish by reading a paragraph from a book for 2 minutes. I'm lost somewhere now. Right now, I apologize for the inconvenience for whatever mistakes that I'm making in between. But my mind is somewhere else. I'm trying to control it, but I'm not able to. But let's continue with the process. Every afternoon, while the household was asleep, I would sit on the veranda steps, watching the hoop on the lawn. This little bird, with its attractive hairdo, was very regular in its habits. It would appear on the lawn at exactly 3 p.m., as though it knew it would not be disturbed at the hour and that it would have the lawn to itself and all that it offered by way of crickets and small crickets and insects. It was dinner time for the busy little bird, and I would watch it as it moved methodically about the lawn, locating and snapping up choice morsels. Tired of watching the hoop poo, I would browse through a comic book, the Dandy or the Beano, and tiring of them would turn to the next chapter of Nicholas Nickleby. a long, appealing novel, which I was determined to finish before the winter holidays were over. It was one of the granny's prized possessions, so I couldn't really take it with me when I returned to my boarding school in Shimla. The winter sunshine was full on me, so relaxing that the book fell from my hands and I dozed off for a few minutes, only to be awakened by the click of the front gate and a cry of Boxwala. It was, in fact, a man with a tin trunk balanced on his head, and he advanced to the steps where, with a little step from me, he placed his box on the veranda and stood back with a sense of accomplishment. The noise had brought Granny to the door. She was the special customer office, and he came by once or twice a week with his box of necessities, all sorts of little household items that Granny had run out of and could not wait for her weekly trip for the market. The trunk was opened with a flourish and its treasures put on display. Buttons of various sizes, needles and threads, elastic tapes for pajamas, scissors, combs, ribbons, pencils, little notebooks, and tiny bottles of scent. Very strong jasmine scented perfume. It was like a lucky dip, and Granny bought buttons, needles, and threads to go with the buttons, and various other items such as china, soap, dishes, or salt. So this is it from the day 11 of my training my voice for better clarity, diction, and for diaphragmatic breathing. It was a wonderful session. It was a little bit sloppy and sleepy at the same time, but who cares? I did it anyways. Anyways, bye bye. See you.